Okay. Hello everyone, this is Casady Stamps, and today I am reviewing this guy. It is the Sennheiser e835. It is a cardioid dynamic microphone. For the sake of full transparency, I did buy this microphone. If you want to buy this microphone, it'll set you back around $100 at the time of this review. For this review, I am connecting it directly to my Behringer Euphoria UMC 204HD. Unfortunately, we are going to have to skip what comes in the box, as I don't have the box or anything other than the microphone. Now, in terms of build quality, it feels solid. It has an all-metal construction with a metal mesh grill that does not have any give to it. And if we just unscrew the grill, you will find the capsule. There are no switches on the entire body of this thing. You can get one with a power switch, but on the bottom you will find the XLR port. In terms of specifications, this is a dynamic microphone with a frequency response of 40 Hz to 16 kHz, a cardioid polar pattern, a sensitivity of 2.7 millivolts per Pascal, or roughly negative 51 decibels, an impedance of 350 ohms, an XLR connector, a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 129.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a diameter of 48 millimeters and is 180 millimeters long, and it has a weight of 330 grams. And here we can see the polar pattern, although I'm not a fan of Sennheiser's polar pattern chart, as well as the frequency response. Now, for the spoken word test, we are going to once again do the Gettysburg Address. 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty, and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. Okay, we are now going to be doing a polar pattern test. So, if you'll excuse me, here I am at the 0 degree position. We are going to rotate around to the 90 degree position, show you the off-axis rejection and coloration, and then we will continue around to as close to 180 degrees as we can get, and then we're going to continue rotating around to the 90 degree position before rotating and arriving back at 0 degrees. Oh boy. Maybe I should use a different cable for this. I am now passing the microphone back and forth between my hands to show you what kind of handling noise rejection this microphone has. And now I am, instead of passing it, I am now rubbing the microphone to show you what kind of handling noise rejection it has. Let's now get my giant fly swatter out and do a plosive test. Pineapple pizza and pumpkin pie, pineapple pizza and pumpkin pie, pineapple pizza and pumpkin pie, pineapple pizza and pumpkin pie. Pretty bad. Now, I know that this windscreen did not actually come with the microphone, but it's Sennheiser's actual windscreen designed for use with the Evolution series of microphones, so let's try it. Here I am speaking without the windscreen, and then I will put it on. And here I am speaking with the windscreen. Here is what it sounds like. Do you notice a difference? Because I do. I am now right on top of the microphone to show you the ASMR proximity effect. I am now right on top of the microphone to show you the proximity effect in a normal voice. I am about 3 inches off of the microphone, and this is how it sounds. I am about 6 inches away from the microphone, with it being approximately level matched. I am about 1 foot away from the microphone, approximately level matched, and this is how it sounds. I'm about 2 feet away from the microphone, with it being approximately level matched. And I am about 4 feet away from the microphone, with it being approximately level matched. Ow. Once again, for reference, I am about 3 feet. 3 feet. Once again, for reference, I am about 3 inches off of the microphone. I will not be level matching this time. About 6 inches away from the microphone. About 1 foot away from the microphone. 2 feet away from the microphone. And I am about 4 feet away from the microphone without doing any level matching. Yay! I'm now typing on a keyboard without any mechanical switches, but it is an ancient rubber dome keyboard that is not connected to the computer, by the way, to give you an idea of how much of my voice versus how much of the keyboard it picks up. And of course, for you gamer guys and girls, I haven't forgotten you. I am now clicking my mouse, typing on the D-SAW keys, and pressing the spacebar. I will now be tapping the microphone's body in as many places as I can to see if there are any inherent resonant frequencies in this microphone. Nothing seems to pop out at me, that's good. If you see a mic made by Sennheiser e835, you know it's a mic made in Germany. This is a mic and it is not a bike. You know it like the back of your hand. Yeah. This microphone really excels at being a stage microphone. In terms of pros, it does have that presence boost to help you cut through a mix, and also it does reduce some of the muddiness in the low end. And apparently it has a low end roll-off to help reduce some rumble, I guess. Also, its handling noise is pretty low, and its polar pattern is a fairly uniform cardioid. And then in terms of cons, the plosives are bad on this thing. Definitely use a windscreen, or if you're in a recording studio or in your office, a pop filter with it. However, if you're on stage, you cannot use a pop filter with it. Also, in terms of cons, it does have that presence boost and low end roll off, which means if your voice is higher, then it might not work as well for you. Now, in case you're wondering why I'm using it in the shock mount, it's actually because it's always there. I actually never take it off. But yeah, it really does not need it. Now, in terms of my overall thoughts, on spoken word, I did like it. It does sound a bit hyped in the high end on my voice, but not too much, in my opinion. On ukulele, surprise, surprise, I liked it. It seems any microphone can sound good on my ukulele. And then on singing, oh yeah, definitely I liked it. And also, the look of this microphone, I really quite like it. Now, the Evolution 900 series, on the other hand, it's ugly, in my opinion. Now, that being said, would I recommend this microphone? Of course. It excels at being a stage microphone, and that's what it is. But unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I've got time for. I really do hope you've enjoyed. If you did, then please do hit that like button. And if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe. But anyways, this has been Cardioid Stamps. Cheers for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.